Dossier!
Madam.
Where is Dossier?
You mean your husband?
Are you mad? I said, where is he?
He just drove out, man.
Drove out to where? Just drove out. He drove out to where?
I don't know where. Wait.
Ah! Man, he's back.
Welcome, sir.
Where's the money?
Which money?
I'm not playing games with you. Where is my money and the gold ring?
What are you talking about?
Ah! I need that money right now.
Which money? I don't have your money.
Hey! Lock that gate. Yes, ma'am. Do not allow him move an inch.
Yes, ma'am.
Why would you be stealing from her? Huh? You mad?
Where is my money?
I don't have your money. Which money are you talking
The
about?
one in the briefcase.
I don't know. I don't have any money. Have I stolen from you before?
Just take it easy.
Then I
Don't move an inch. Not one word from you. Don't move an inch until I get the money back.
Which money are you talking about?
This is serious business. This is serious. I need that money. I need the gold chain, else people will fall.
Ah! Are you have I ever stolen from?
Young man, why you?
Will you shut?
Why are you stealing from her?
Just don't move an inch. I just told you. Lock the gate.
What is really going? I don't have your money. What have I ever stolen from you before?
No.
So why are you asking me of money?
Because you took it. The money in the briefcase with the gold ring. Don't move.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.